Yo guys, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you a tool that lets generate multiple angles from one image. So, are you excited? Let's go! The program we will use is called Higgsfield AI. Sign up with your Google account, for example, and get started with some free credits. Okay, now we scroll here and go to Angles. Now we just need to upload an image and decide what different angle it should generate of the image. So, let's get us an image of Donald Trump. This one will do all right. Now upload it and choose the angle and generate it. After like 30 seconds it will be done. Okay, here it is. Why are there all of a sudden two Donald Trumps? Okay, let's try another angle. Okay, weird. Again, there are two Donalds. Let's select Generate from all angles and generate it again. This will take some time. Here are the results. Okay, not bad, but it is very odd that it duplicated Donald Trump. To use this, we clearly need to crop out one of the two Donalds. But let's not give up our hope already and look of another image that it can create multiple angles of. Here, this image of this Titanic scene will do. Let's generate all angles of it. Okay, well it is. Okay, but not very nice. Hello, now it is up to you. Use this tool and have a lot of fun. See you in the next video. Bye!